friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Winklink coin. What's the current price of the Wink coin? What's the price since in the Wink coin? And especially in this video I'm talking about the very important update of the Wink. So keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways friends, let's move on and let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Wink coin. So 0.000871 US dollar is the current price of the Wink now it is time in the market. And on the other side, if we look, the price changes occur in the Wink coin. So absolutely the price change has gone wrong in the Wink coin. From the previous last 1 week, the price going down is continue in the Wink coin. The price of the Wink coin is going down day by day, hour by hour friends. So when they again start pumping, let's check it out the price chart and let's predict the Wink coin friends. Oh my god, absolutely a very bad change occur in the last 1 day. Let's see my friends, the last 1 day what's gone to the chart. Let me show you the last 1 day price chart. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day price chart now on the screen. If we look, so absolutely there is not continuously fast occur in the Wink coin. Absolutely, as you can see here, that is the price chart, fast down, and after fast down take a jump, fast down take a jump, fast down take a jump. So not a continuously fast occur. That's mean that the Wink coin gradually start moving upward. As you can see here, they fast down gradually. This time they take a jump for a later time, and after this time again fast down. Now this time they again take a jump, and after some fast they again take a jump. So sometime and sometimes they again take a high jump, and I hope that the whole changes in the Wink coin is become again positive and the price is again become high friends. So anyways, if we look the last 1 day price change occur in the Wink coin, so that is why the price change is negative friends. Negative 3.37% changes occur in the Wink, and the highest price is 0.000908 USD dollar is the highest price of the Wink coin in the last 1 day friends. So friends, my personally prediction about Wink coin is that I'm 100% sure that the Wink coin in the future taken a jump. So my prediction is that Wink coin is taken jump in the future. So that is why my personally recommendation, my personally suggestion for all of Wink coin holders is that please hold it and don't sell it friends. That's my personally. If you sell Wink coin in this time, so as you know, Wink coin also fast out from the previous long time, the price change as in negative, so you are in the loss. So if you absolutely, if you sell Wink coin in this time, so you are in the loss, and if you hold it, so maybe there is again chances to they again take a jump in the future. We can't say more in the future, but there is a chances about a Wink coin to take a jump in the future friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrencies, so please do your own research friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos.